so good. Oh, this is ship life. This is it. Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today is beyond exciting because we can get off the ship. So we have docked in Bimini in the Bahamas and I cannot wait to get off.
But that's not the case.
Oh my god, guys!
We're off the ship.
Birthday Voyages! Can you believe it, guys? After, what is it, 94 days on board, I am off the ship with my fellow crewmates, enjoying this incredible beach in the Bahamas. There's the ship in the background. I'm just feel quite emotional actually, to just feel the sand between my toes and to look at an ocean that incredible. Like really, really, really crazy. When I couldn't get off the ship, I was like, oh, it's been so long since I've been off the ship and now I'm off. It's like, oh my God, that 3 months went so fast. And also I'm halfway through my contract. So I have a 6-month contract and I'm halfway through, which is crazy as well. It's like, oh my God, that went so fast. It really is days like today where it's like, is this my life? Is this my life? Am I off in the Bahamas, looking at this view? And you know what the best part is about today? I am not working later. So, I mean, the fact that I get any time off is amazing, but normally you have like the day off and then you go back on board in the evening and the ship sets sail and the shop's open. But we have no sailors on board at the moment. So I have the whole day to enjoy the beach.
We can do it, we can do it. When we in the sighting gate and we don't pull them both ways. We can do it.
I mean, does it get any better than this? Like, this is just absolute bliss. Virgin Voyages actually have a beach club here. It's not quite open yet, however, crew are going to get to go there before we have sailors on board, which is really, really exciting. But yeah, like today is just a beach day and I'm just feeling so bloody fortunate to be here. Oh my God. Crazy.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can.
Oh my God, guys, we just saw a turtle. I love turtles so much.
When I'm in this town, look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one
Oh my god, that's so funny.
I just knew that would happen.
Oh my god, it's so good. The water is obviously still boiling because we're in the Bahamas. Oh, this is shit blind. This is it.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I've just got back from the beach, had a shower, put some makeup on, washed my hair. So now I'm gonna go round to my friend's cabin, Julia's, because she has very kindly agreed to braid my hair. She just lives right round the corner. Hello!
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Supposed to go, maybe I'm just too slow. We should just lean together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other.
So I have just got back to the cabin and I'm gonna go to bed now. But that was such an amazing day. Just like an emotional, overwhelming, wonderful day to get off the ship for the first time and then have that lovely evening on the cabana. Just great. But anyway, I really hope you have enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I have enjoyed filming it for you. If you have any video suggestions or questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.